Hello Stampers, this is Super Awesome Stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wisconsin, USA. I'm excited to be back for the February 12th, 2022 one-of-a-kind craft-along. And these are the kits that I'm offering for this event. You'll get 2 of these card kits, 1 of each design in your kit, and my instruction to assemble the kit. Here is the package as you would receive it in your snail mail box. Includes all the supplies to create each of the cards, plus there'll be a couple of extra pieces of designer series paper in the package. I have a little bit of extra room and thought I would stuff them in there. So go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com and click on Kits in the Mail for all of the ordering details. In addition, there will be a PDF tutorial included with 15 additional designs on how to decorate this card style. So I hope you purchase a kit. If you're viewing this video before February 28th, make sure you go to my blog and check out what's available through the celebration promotion, and we'll stamp with you soon. Bye!